Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a great day. We're going to take a very fast look here at Bitcoin. Mostly just update you from earlier if you missed the analysis, and or just give you some more relevant, pertinent information that's since released from this morning's video. Okay, so again, analyze Bitcoin daily, trying to do it twice a day as often as possible. So let's take a quick look here at the backend data and just kind of see where liquidation lines up for the moment with the backend data. Let's see here. Now, as far as liquidation from before, when we talked about this, we had a lot of concentration of liquidation above the price action. It's still a thing. So 64,000, strong amount of concentration of liquidation. In the last 7 days alone, we've seen roughly 1 to 2 billion right there at 64K. So just keep in mind, 64K is that point of contention. We're seeing some resistance there for the moment. That's a little ways away. We look at the macro too, we can kind of see there's not a lot of liquidation close. Still the same scenario, 68,000 upwards and as low as 56,000 downwards. So nothing has changed there, of course. I don't expect it to, but just want to refresh and recap there. I do have this little play out here potentially for the chart because my anticipation was to try to get into Bitcoin at this 0.618 fib level around 61,500. That's also the most relevant recent point of control, just an area that we want to pay attention to. So it would make sense for the price to pivot off that level, mainly because we have a Bitcoin CME future down as low as 61,000. So there's a solid chance we could see the price action as low as 61K. Worst case scenario, fill in the previous gap at 59.5 or 59.6 rather. I think that's a worst case scenario. A lot of coins are showing strength. Bitcoin dominance is pulling back. So altcoins are kind of all the rage for right now. Okay, so again, we've been taking some solid profits. Just a quick little heads up. Do want to say thank you to my community for their great feedback. We took some nice profits here from Rune Protocol, Thorchain rather, Rune. That is 22% in 10 hours. Bitcoin 45% 6 days, and minus the link 10% there. We got a Caspa 64% too. So that's all the trades we've taken the last couple of days here. We're taking profit on the last couple of days. Roughly a week old for some of those trades, but also just a day old too. Swing trades can hit. Sometimes they take a little while. We've got some irons in the fire right now, all still looking very good. Let's summarize here. Daily time frame, work our way down. Not too much to really note on the daily time frame. It's still pretty decent in the overall sense. We're still looking to get over the 20-day SMA. That's not fantastic. Still over the 200. We look at the RSI. We're getting closer to 50, but still not quite there. The MACD is converging and stochastic swinging up. So we got the momentous indicators telling us we're in good shape. We should experience further upside. But again, the realisticness here, we got a lot of resistance above us. It's best to presume the price could pull back. My hope is that the price ramps up to 66,000, and then we short at that point for a bearish back test of the ascending trend line, and the price comes back down from there. Okay, that's ideally a perfect world. Is the world of trading perfect? No, not even close. Good news is we got a lot of support between 60 and 61,000, just below that CME gap, of course. We've got stochastic RSI swinging down, MACD diverging, and the 4-hour time frame is tentatively losing 50 on the RSI. So these are generally unfavorable. When we see this, it's usually cause for consideration to short the coin. Now, me personally, I wanted to short a little bit higher. Obviously, beggars can't be choosers, but if we look at Ichimoku Cloud, lagging spans free and clear. We're officially into the cloud for 4 hours, and we got convergence on the actual baseline being below, or rather above the conversion line. So this is 3 out of 3 reasons why a short position is more viable at this point than a long. Okay, we've confirmed a lot of bearish qualities here. Bitcoin's confirming bearish, but just know Bitcoin's really good about getting you to think that it's bearish and turning right around. Okay, so try not to be a late short. I know it sounds crazy because we're now getting that confirming factors, but it's been so many times we get those confirming factors, whereas key level supports are more relevant lately than these indicators kind of identifying good entry targets. Okay, so you kind of gotta, I wouldn't say close your eyes and throw meat at the wall, but generally speaking at this point here, you can't have precise entries based on how manipulated the market it is. All the more reason why you use low leverage, low position sizing, which is what we do as a community. So we're gonna kind of consider this. I'll post a playout chart here on our Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, TikTok, whatever platform works best for you. It's all there available for you. If you're curious about our day trading results, I get the question a lot. Starting to post those now. Cardano and Solana were our money makers last month, and again, just some general stats for you if you're curious about it. Either way, I hope you all learned something today. Thanks again so much for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great one. We'll see you soon. Take care.